lot of rain, downpour. Today is July. Today is Thursday, July 17th. The Constitution Day for Colorado. This is KTPS, and this is my company's building. Right? We are all the same. And this is my labor union's office. Hello, this is me. Right? Thanks for listening, and I have to go to work now. 9 o'clock. Bye bye. That's Prince Hyoryong's tomb. He was the second son of King Taejong, right? He refused to be crowned and handed over his right to the kingship to his younger brother. Well, there's a respite between the rains. Today is Thursday, July 17th, 2025. And we had a lot of rain yesterday and today, this morning. It's a lunchtime break, so I'm just taking a walk around the Prince Hyoryong's tomb. That's Prince Hyoryong's tomb, right? Not mausoleum. He has been dead for, I think, close to 700 years, something, or 600 years. So I'm standing at a tomb called Hyoryong Cheongwonsa, right? It's in the Bangbae station. That's the Bangbae station right there, right? See people crossing the intersection, right? And that's the Hwanak's Mountain. So Seoul National University will be there, and my dormitory would be in that direction, 50 minutes away from here. And that's the north. So there's White House and the North Korean Kimcheon. That's the statues. And that's the apartment redevelopment site, a huge complex. More than 2,000 housing units will be built by end of 2029. And that's my company, KT, right there. That's my office, man. That's my office, KT Bangbae Tower. The bigger one is the second annex to building to us, and it houses our subsidiary company called KTPS. They take care of our huge number of systems, including customer accounts, device management, and all sorts of stuff. So that's Umyeong Mountain, Umyeongsan. On top of the mountain, you see a little bit jagged, right? Because it has military complex. The divisions, Tibet's camps, and soldiers are in there. I think that's the outpost at the gate, right? You cannot go there without proper documentation. I cannot go there. I don't have any authority or business to visit the temple. So this is a typical prince tombs in Korea, right? I guess the left one is the male, and the right one is for a woman or a princess, right? Concubine or something, wife, right? Because wife is always right, so they should be located always on the right. And that's the table, stone table, huge, quite heavy. You cannot lift it alone, right? You need a forklift or something. And they offer foods every year. You call for them to appear and eat the nice food and forgive our sins and ask them to oversee us, guard us like an echelon or guardianship. And since this prince was a literature-based scholar, he was not a general. So as you can see, the stones, they represent the scholars, right? When you are a general, then usually what you see as stone statues at their tombs are the generals with swords, right? The swords would be on the right side, right here, swords. northward. So I think they are just literature-based scholars. That's the lamp, stone lamp, where they just lit a candle and let it burn for a day or two, where they have a death anniversary ceremony. So what is it like between the rains during the monsoon season in Korea? Quite beautiful. Air is fresh. Sky is clear except the overcast. But without overcast, blue skies and nice. So when you come to Seoul for a visit, don't be afraid. You can buy an umbrella and you'll be safe. And a lot of rain yesterday, today. So I just wanted to show you how the Korea looks like during rains or without rain or during the respite, right? During the pause. Sayonara. So just in case you are wondering, I was right? Because I'm always right, and women are always right. This is the prince wife's tomb, right? In Chinese, it says 杨城夫人 Chang, like you have a lot of Changs in America, right? They are all Chinese. Chang Shi Ju Mo, right? Mo means tomb. Ji means of. Shi means family, right? Chang's family, but in Korea, Chang's families are Jones, similar, right? Korea used to be the leader of Chinese letters, Chinese language, but they migrated, our ancestors migrated from China to Korea, teaching China. And Xiao Liang, but Xiaoning, Dajun, Cheng Xiao, Gongji, Mu, right? So Liang means the alias of their second prince of King Taejo, right? Dajin means very renowned general, renowned scholar, right? So that's two men are always on the left, right? They are always left, right? They are always left behind, and women are always right, as I am always right. So that's the big tombs, huge, right? Huge. And huge stones, tablets for offering foods for in their commemoration, right? Death anniversary. So I've just arrived in Gwangju City, right? And I'm walking towards my home, which is about one mile away, or 1.5 kilometers. Since there are not many buses at this time of the day, I have to walk. Walking is much faster than hitching a ride on a bus. Right? So we have 911, that's emergency fire brigade truck. I don't know why it just stopped behind me. Maybe I'm a hot guy and they thought maybe they need to douse me with water. I'm just kidding. So today alone, it's 10 o'clock in the evening, but today alone, this city, my hometown, had about close to 40 centimeter precipitation, right? That's about 15 inches. So I guess they had a severe downpour today. As you know, I am working in Seoul. I work for Korea Telecom KT, the number one carrier and also number one AI/cloud service provider in Korea, right? So I worked in Seoul, in Gangnam district. Oppan Gangnam style. Yeah, that's my Gangnam style. I'm just jaywalking. No one is here, so yeah, I'm just jaywalking. So and about midnight tonight, they are expecting more rain, like 6 centimeters precipitation. Right, that's about more than 2 inches, right? So soon. The rivers that go through the city will overflow and there will be some flooding. I heard that there's some flooding in pockets of the city. So the subway, there's only one line of subway train stop operation maybe this afternoon. So I just used the bus to get to the closest to my home from Songjiang Station. There's a train station, fast train station called KTX station. So the train stopped operation and I had to use the bus and it just dropped him off as closest to my home as possible, right? So I'm just walking towards my home now. Now it's about 1 kilometer away. I skipped the dinner because I rode a KTX train at 7:05 this afternoon and didn't have enough time to have a quick dinner. Mostly I just vegetarian, so I thought I would just munch down some food, watermelon, sweet melon, sweet potato or potato at home. So I'm just skipping. I'm just getting hungry, right? I usually eat at 8 o'clock in the evening. It's past 2 hours past 8. It's 10 o'clock. And also I feel like peeing. Yeah. So when I cannot hold it anymore, I just pee in the tree trunk, at the tree trunk, or a pole, against the pole. That's the convenience store. So it's a bit dark. The city is darker than Seoul because, you know, even though it's a metropolitan city with 1.4 million people, you know, Seoul is much brighter because it has many people. The population density is higher and it has more money, so they can afford to turn on the lamps even in the crooks and nooks of the city. But so Gwangju population is dwindling. I heard that they lost 200,000 people over the 10 years. So the population is decreasing and they are facing brain drain, right? After graduation from colleges in this area, they all go to Seoul or overseas. So, well, I'll just stop filming and I'll start refilming when I am at the entrance of my apartment complex. So we had a lot of rain in Gwangju City yesterday. I wasn't here because I'm working in Seoul, beautiful city Seoul. So I'm just stopping at a reservoir outside Gwangju, and as you can see, we see a lot of debris from the mountains and valleys and gullies or galleys, right? So we see a lot of rain and a lot of cars are driving by. They're on the road because the weather is quite beautiful today, right? Including that car, everybody is enjoying the warm summer day, even though there are severe damages along the road. Yeah, I'm filming while driving, right? It's more like a DIY, but better, much better. Right? As you can see, we see debris hampering the road. So there were a lot of soil erosion from the mountains, and they spilled onto the road system. So road is a little bit bumpy, but that's normal, right? So you should expect these kind of situations right after severe rain. Yesterday the downpour was more than 400 millimeters. So that's more than 40 centimeters. So that means about, I don't know, about 15 inches of rain, 20 inches of rain, something like that. So this is a river outside Gwangju City. Yesterday the water was up to this level, right? The water receded a lot over the past 12 hours. I heard that the precipitation was 418 millimeters. That's about 18 inches. So that's a huge. It just poured like a cats and dogs for 8 or 4 hours. So the precipitation was so severe, right? A lot of places were flooded, washed away, and damaged, right? Small landslides from the mountain hills, and debris from the gullies in the valleys. So I feel some had to evacuate from their home. Right. So I feel sorry for them, but not many. Luckily, not many. So this is how the severe downpour or rain in the monsoon season in Korea is typically viewed, typically presented to you.
下挥汗如雨的脸颊，熬过了冬和夏，阳光刺破这云霞，慢慢的 的长夜啊，多少等待和挣扎。梦中的黑骏马向千里之外出发，马蹄哒哒哒，黄河水哗啦啦，要努力生根要发芽，让梦想开出最美的花。听大风不停刮，任大雨不停下，就等不了我的步伐，要踏遍人间海角天涯。挥汗如雨的脸颊，熬过了冬和夏，阳光刺破着云霞。漫漫的长夜啊，多少等待和挣扎。梦中的黑骏马向千里之外出发，马蹄哒哒哒，黄河水哗啦啦，要努力生根要发芽，让梦想开出最美的花。听大风不停刮，任大雨不停下，就等不了我的步伐，要踏遍人间海角天涯。曾经的那个懵懂小孩的已经长大，也可以勇敢地面对这世界的复杂，不装聋作哑，不沉默扮傻，用豪情温柔的初心化作千军万马。这岁月无情地染白那少年的头发，这时光像一个刀子爬上我的脸颊，看江山如画，要擦亮盔甲，要看遍这美的世界所有繁华。马蹄哒哒哒，黄河水哗啦啦，要努力生根要发芽，让梦想开出最美的花。听大风不停刮，任大雨不停下，就等不了我的步伐，要踏遍人间海角天涯，要踏遍人间海角天涯。
That's the dike, right? Dike. And that's the farmers' cooperative warehouse where they store rice. So luckily the water didn't overflow the dikes, preventing huge flood and casualties. This is the most beautiful spot next to Cafe Silk Road. If you want to check out the cafe and the buffet it offers, you can visit the Google Map, the Cafe Silk Road, or you can look for the video clips that I uploaded occasionally on YouTube. So today I'm going to walk for about more than an hour for my anti-cancer Tai Chi walk. I don't have cancer, but I want to prevent it. And also I want to breathe in a lot of oxygen and push it onto the cells, so the cells can prosper and oxygenate the persimmons. We have a lot of persimmons on these persimmon trees. This area used to be a rice developed riverbanks and type system. So you can imagine in old Korea there were a lot of farmlands, a lot of forests, no system whatsoever. So we are happy that we live in this prosperous area. So I'm under the bridge, watching the water flowing, milky water. city. Gwangju city. This is outside the city. I like them to have second houses, third houses. In investment, they invest in construction, road enlargement, and so on. So a lot of debris come on the trees, but the bridges floating down the river. This empty pencil rock. This is called Tudulkang River in Nankyong area. A lot of campsites there. A lot of rich people live in the forest area. Not many people here, so there are many old rich people